So Sudhanshu told me that organic foods at campaign level and fruits at ad group level. Okay. Ranjana says fruits, vegetables at ad group level, and season, music, seasonal, juicy, organic at campaign level. Prithvi says vegetable and fruits in ad group level. Rajiv says fruits in campaign, water, lemon, apple at ad group. Aditya says fruits and vegetable in the ad group level. Okay, it's sometimes uh, it's really difficult to decide to be true that what comes at ad group level and what comes at uh, the campaign level. Generally, over here, as I said you, if there is nothing below it, it's just only products, and these products are distinct in itself. Okay, like sweet melon is very different from pomegranate. So in case Google shows any ad of sweet lemon against when somebody is searching pomegranate or cherry, then it will become a irrelevant ad. To avoid that, then these two products should be in different ad groups. Okay. So this will be one ad group, this will be second ad group, this will be third ad group. Then this is the ad group level, and fruit will be a campaign. Okay. So we under fruit campaign we will have sweet lemon as a ad group, green grapes or angur as like these all will be the different ad groups. Similarly, vegetable will be a campaign, and these will be the ad group. Whole food will be a campaign, and these products will be an ad group. Is that clear to everyone? Anyone has any doubt on it? Please let me know. Rajiv says one, Chaitanya, Shivam, Uday, Prithvi. Aditya, it's not clear. You can go ahead and mute and ask. Tanya, Shiva, Sudhanshu is clear.
So suppose if we are running on this ad organic food only, so the campaign level, ad group level will be organic foods, and the subheadings will be the campaign level, like different fruits that the site is showing. So
Hmm.
I want to say that the organic food, the headings which we will give the Google ad, the organic ad will be the ad group, right? Under this ad group, we are running different campaigns.
Under ad group, you can't run campaigns.
Uh, but sir, according to this site, we have searched like organic food. This is a site of organic food, right?
Hmm.
But under this, like we can see that 9 products in this category. So these are
Hmm.
the these are the various campaigns that are running under this
Yeah, correct.
keyword. So
Correct.
that will be come under campaign level, right?
Ah, let me come again to you. The one I have explained you that fruit will be at campaign level, and these specific products will be at ad group level. This is thing one. Second thing is because this is a new industry in itself. So every industry works a little different, and the campaigns are created in a different manner. So what will happen in this industry specifically is those people who are not aware that these products comes under organic. So what they will search is they will simply search buy organic. They don't know what food they can really buy in it, but they know they can buy organic food. So what they will search, there will be a one separate campaign which will be just specifically for generic words like organic food, buy organic foods. Okay. And the other campaigns will be very specific for fruits and vegetables and wholesome snacks, whatever their different categories are. Is that clear? Is that answers your question, Ankit,
Aditya.
Aditya?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. So we have Sughosh says, I'm not sure how we decided which one is an ad group, which one is a campaign. So Ghosh, you can unmute and clear your doubts. Where you got stuck with it.
Sir, so basically, what I was facing a problem and was like, how did we decide the level? Like, fruits would be the campaign and
Yeah,
these
how we
categories.
decide, how we decide is, as I stated yesterday also, is that these products are different. They can't be into a same ad group. This is the last level in the hierarchy of this website or this industry, is that people search organic foods, then they in organic they look for fruits, and in fruits, or where we are, we I believe we are in wholesome food or vegetables, whatever the category is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we are come to second level, this is second level vegetables, and below that is the third level. Okay. In third level, if you find there is no category below it, then these will be the ad groups. Above that will be a campaign, and above that will be a common campaign for all. Okay.
So the last category in any on any website would be the ad group, and the one
Yes.
above that, the second last tier, would be the campaign, right?
Campaign. Correct.
Sure, sure. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Uh, so in this case, now if I have to make a campaign, there will be one campaign will be related to specific products, because this is a these are the things people will be searching for. And second is these generic words. Generic word, because this is a new industry, nobody search. Like in mobile industry, people are very sure they want to buy an MI mobile, or they want to buy an Apple iPhone 10, 11, even I don't know whether 12 has launched or not. Okay, so people know what specific product they want to buy, because everyone is aware of it, everyone knows about it. Whereas in these kind of segments where people or industry is not very big, and awareness is at very lower stage where people don't know, so people go on the words which are generic, and some people will go on these specific words also. People searching these capsicum or exotic vegetables, or uh, brinjals, or raw banana. Okay, even when I type, like, just give me a second, raw banana organic. Okay, or I would say, okay, you will see, look at this. How many people search uh, buy banana is, if you look at zero, and it's all over India. So nobody search buy organic banana, which we are trying to make a category as well. So sometimes when you assume this is how the structure should be, but after assuming also, what we got in Google result, Google keyword planner, is that nobody searches it. So there is no point on making a campaign. So what we initially thought, okay, which is a standard rule over different industry across multiple domains, is failing here, because this industry is different. How this industry is different: when you go and buy fruits, you don't buy a single fruit, you buy a lot of fruits in a single go, or you buy a lot of vegetables in a single go, because we have been trained to do that only. Okay, so over here, this formula will fail out, which we I proposed it and which you agreed on. Okay, this is a reality check, because whatever you think, how you have created website doesn't matter here, because if people are not searching it, then ultimately you will not get any business out of it, any clicks out of it, any impressions out of it, and you will lose. Okay, so what kind of things people will be searching? So there might be by organic vegetables. Okay. Look at this. Only one keyword that is there, by organic vegetables. So what happened here is because these keywords, these specific products are not searched organically. So what you will do is all these categories like fruits, vegetables, whole food, snacks, maybe you have to go down. Like in snacks, you have uh, how should I say? These are your specific products. If there is a search about these specific products in Google search or keyword, okay, look at this. Nobody search like that. So what you have to do is then in these cases, your organic, buy organic fruits, buy organic vegetables, buy organic whole food, snacks, cooking essentials. These become your ad group, not the fruits under it. Okay, not the fruits under it. So nobody is searching by organic. Anar or buy organic Mosambi. They are searching buy organic fruits, buy organic vegetables. Okay. So in this case, your category will be buy organic vegetables, or I can do one thing, which is a trick. Buy vegetables, buy fruits. Spelling is wrong. Buy whole foods. Okay, so you can type all your category over here, because this will be all, and you will see that what people are searching. Okay, and you see a lot of keywords over here, and then select specific keywords into each ad group. Like by vegetable ad group, you will add all the keywords over there related to vegetable. Okay, like buy vegetable, buy online vegetables. Okay, tomato plants you don't sell, so you will add a filter over here. Okay, keyword filter that says show me keywords which does not contain plant. Okay, or plants. Okay, so you will find this. And one more thing, look at this. In comparison to Feb, because of COVID-19, from 40,000, 48,000 searches, it has reached to 2,42,000, and start declining because markets are getting opened. Getting my point? So it depends what industry you are in and how people are reacting to it. It's not you assume that and you start building the campaign. You assume this is a process by which it should work. If that process fails out, then what is the alternative? Then the subcategories, the anar, sweet lime, the ones which we have make ad groups will not be there. Then the campaign will become the subcategories or ad groups primarily. So fruit will be one ad group, vegetable will be one ad group, whole food will be another, and snacks and others will be the ad groups. Is that clear what explanation I have given to you? That's why I specifically picked this example of this industry. Ranjana says yes. Okay. Shiva, Shivam, Rajiv, Aditya, Chaitanya, Prithvi, Uday. Perfect. Okay. So now let's do our work. We have talked a lot on these things. Now the next thing over here is, let me correct first my spelling, or you can remove, let's in one go, let's search vegetables only. Okay. And now one thing, keep one thing in mind, when you are doing a research or a selection process, there are 3 to 4 parameters which you have to keep in mind. The first parameter is relevancy of the keyword and the potential of that keyword, or the potential of the keyword to give you revenue. Primarily, it shows the intention of the user to buy that product. In this case, when user says buy vegetable, the user intention is high to particularly buy that product. When say online vegetables, again, he's not saying or she's not saying buy word over here, but when somebody is searching online vegetable, that mean itself that they are looking to buy the product. Okay, it's not always users say buy, then only you will assume that they're looking for the product. You have to understand keyword by keyword, which makes sense, right? Okay, then buy vegetables online is relevant. This is first parameter. Okay, the second parameter is primarily the monthly searches. This is critically very important, and these monthly searches will depend on it's a relative comparison always. Okay, it is not an absolute value comparison, it's a relative comparison. Like this industry has grown in last 2 months. Okay, this data which you are seeing is of last 12 months average. If I say you do a comparison, okay, you will see a huge drop. Okay, like online vegetable, which was searched 24,000 times, is searched now 6,000 times only. Okay, so keep in mind, if you see there is a huge growth in the campaign, in this bar is in this graph chart is happening, then you don't take a decision, because it may be a seasonal thing which has taken it to a next level. Okay. Then is average monthly searches. Why I was saying average monthly searches is critically important, because when you create a campaign, you select a keyword, you will make a relevant ad. After making a relevant ad, you will optimize your landing page uh, so that it can suit the user requirement. Okay, to improve the quality score, if you guys remember that we talked about 3 factors of quality score, is one is ad relevance and second is landing page experience and relevance. For that, you have to improve. You have to do a left effort to create an ad, to create a optimize the landing page. Okay, so just selecting a keyword, if some keyword is searched, let's say 10 times in a month, and for that particular keyword, you have to create an ad and optimize your landing page. It's a lot of effort, but what kind of return you will get? You will get just 10 searches in a month. That means maximum 1 click to 2 clicks, because generally the CTR is 10 to 20%. So I'm saying on a higher side. Generally, it is 3 to 4%, but on a higher side, let's assume 10 to 20%. Then what happens is you will get 2 clicks in a month. Will both of them buy? No. Out of 50 people, only out of 100 people, generally a conversion rate of 5% remains the same, remains there. Okay, so out to get one single sale, assuming the conversion rate of 5%, you need 20 clicks, which will come in 1 year. You are doing the whole efforts to get one conversion in the whole 1 year. So do you want to do that effort? Is it necessary? Is it adding a burden on the company and you? Yes. So you have to select that wisely. What should be the minimum you think? I think it should be around 100, but again, it's relative. If I'm talking about electronic industry buying mobile phones, this average maybe is 1,000. But if I'm talking about organic food, this average is maybe 100 or maybe 60. That will depend upon these monthly searches you are seeing over here. Based on that, you take a decision. Otherwise, you will be in a big, deep trouble. Okay, is that clear? Second parameter.